Okay, let's look at part B of the question. It is saying we look at find the area between x is negative 2 up to x to 2, which is this area which has been shaded here. Now, in this case, we need to look at this one by one. If I call this area A1, let's call this area A1, and I call this area A2. Area A2. So I have to find first area A1 and also find area A2, and then we sum up them. So area A1, I think we have already got it, but still can work it out as we wanted. So area, this is now this and this, A1. A1, we said it was very wasting time. We got to be 16 out of 3. That is area A1. Hope I'm still recording well. Yes. And then area A2 would be equals to the integral, you see, the x value is from 0 up to 2. So those become my coordinates. So I will now say from 0 up to 2, which of course of y dx, which give me the integral 0 to 2, y is x squared plus 4x plus 4x, of course dx, right? So if I integrate that, I'll get area A2 to be equals to x cubed out of 3 plus this is 2x squared. And we are agreed that when the limits are there, you don't waste time putting the integral constant. So here we simply insert the limit, this time from 0 up to 2. So I can now bring back my x, where the x now 2, I get 2 to the power 3 out of 3 plus 2 into 2 to the power 2 minus, remember I start with the upper limit. It is the upper limit minus the lower limit. Don't do the reverse of it. So the lower limit is now 0. As you see, if I put 0 here, everything goes to 0, go to 0. Meaning I will now have 0 over 3 plus 2 times 0. So here become 8 over 3. This is area A2. Okay? Area A2. Plus this is 4, this is 8. Minus 0, that goes to 0. So this gives me now 8 out of 3 plus 8 out of 1, which gives me 3 as LCM. Here is 8 plus now 24. So giving me my area A2 to become 32. Hope I'm right? Out of 3. This is area A2. The total area from x negative 2 up to positive 2 will be the sum of area A1 plus A2, which means total area A become now A1 plus A2, which is A1. I told you earlier on, A1 we take the positive value. Although it was negative, but we got the negative. The negative only tells you that it's lying below the x-axis, and therefore you don't use for calculating area, in this case, the negative, because you're taking modular. So I get now 16 out of 3, which is A1. A2 is now 32 out of 3, which gives me now, is it 48? 48 out of 3, which is around 16? Yes, I think it's 16. 16 square units. That becomes the area under that curve from x equal to negative 2 up to x equal to positive 2. Okay? So that's how you work out this area under curve. We shall look at more example in the next video.